10 Ideas for Kitchen Renovation. Your kitchen is undoubtedly something you adore, as am I. I want to demonstrate and offer suggestions for kitchen remodeling in 2023. No worries, we can help you with the entire renovation or even just a small renovation in your home. It's not as difficult as you might think. These 10 designs are perfect for your kitchen. 1. Do it darkly. Regarding kitchen paint colors, nothing is more seductive than matte black unless you use a gold mirrored material to cover the underside of the overhead cabinets. 1. Placing a round rug. Bring in a round jute rug to add warmth to the kitchen instead of a narrow runner. When there isn't a rectangular island to divide the space, this shape will work particularly well in an open kitchen. 1. Set aside the kitchen island. If you have a spacious kitchen with plenty of counter space for cooking and want to try something different with the remaining space, consider turning it into a dining table. To achieve a similar layout with a fresh twist, pick an object with comparable proportions, such as a sizable rustic dining table. 1. Allow the light to enter. In addition to being relaxing and attractive, having lots of natural light in the kitchen makes it much simpler to work there. When designing a space from scratch, consider strategically placing work areas near windows, such as the location of the sink. Then, add task lighting beneath the cabinets, far from overhead and natural light. 1. Indoor-outdoor ambiance. A floor-to-ceiling, wall-to-wall door that leads outside allows you to constantly breathe in fresh air. Furthermore, the shears that are blowing in the wind add an air of either reality. Create glass cabinetry that extends up to the ceiling to make the space feel even larger. 1. Put in some plants or a herb garden. In the kitchen, start a small plant collection. You can do this to make the room more lively and practice your green thumb. Your kitchen will feel more calming and alive if there is another living thing there. Additionally, you have fresh herbs nearby that you can quickly grab if necessary. Spice jars can be kept in smaller spaces. 1. Extension of an island. The metallic pendant and light wood tones will warm your kitchen. The addition of a round bistro table over the island transforms a conventional kitchen layout significantly. Painting the bar stools a bright mint green color and hanging a copper pendant light from the ceiling breathe new life into the space. 1. Gold touch. Nothing can make your interior stand out like metallic. To ensure it isn't too flashy, choose a brushed gold finish for the kitchen cabinets and add more natural materials, like jute. 1. Hanging plants. The relaxed terracotta floor tiles, hanging plants, and framed prints of plants, as well as the light yellow painted beams, give the room a fresh, airy feel. The decor of a room can be quickly and easily improved by adding houseplants, and growing plants indoors in the kitchen can also serve some useful purposes. The right plant can add color, purify the air, or even produce fresh fruit and vegetables all year long. 1. Improve cabinet uppers for storage. Make sure your lower cabinets can handle the majority of the storage needs if your kitchen wall is lined with windows, and think about adding a pretty treatment that doesn't completely block the light, like cafe curtains. You can avoid lining the wall with uppers this way. Install one strategic column in its place. Some people look for a beautiful place, while others make a place beautiful. Thanks for watching.